Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood tarot reader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Libra or Tula Rashi for the month of October 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Libra or Tula Rashi for the month of October 2025. Sun, Moon, Rising. So Libra. Yep. A very balanced kind of energy for you this month. This month is about you trying to find the right balance, trying to manage things properly, as well as trying to take a very middle approach to life this month, because you do get the Temperance card as the theme for the month. And I also see that you will be very much successful in attaining that balance in life, because you do get the Queen of Wands, so there is a very strong element of authority, a strong element of leadership, as well as you will be very much what should I say, very much charismatic this month, very much charming this month, and with this control over the forces, with this balance that you will achieve this month, overall the month seems to be going quite well. Now we will get into these energies as we go along, but let's look at what other energies are there for you. Now, in your career and finances, I see some good information, some sort of communication coming your way. If you were expecting a job offering or a call letter of some sort, definitely it's gonna come your way this month. Also, I see you exploring new opportunities in your career and finances, trying to learn something, or trying to start something fresh this month. But there is definitely going to be some sort of message or news coming towards you this month related to career and finances. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, I see you moving on. I see you being very इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव. आप कोई चीज़ लेके आप बहुत ज़्यादा डीपली सोच रहे हैं, समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इंटरनली आप चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एक एलिमेंट है जहाँ पे आपको लग सकता है कि मैं थोड़ा आइसोलेटेड रहूँ, मैं थोड़ा अलग रहूँ, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करके चलूँ मेरे जो आसपास लोग हैं उनसे, मेरे लव्ड वंस, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, उनसे थोड़ा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करके चलूँ, लोगों से डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करके चलूँ, वैसा टाइप के एनर्जीज है, बिकॉज यू डू गेट द हमिंग. सो देयर इज एन एलिमेंट ऑफ आइसोलेशन एंड इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. Also, I see you being very much, you growing and being wiser in the process. Because जब भी आप डीपली सोचेंगे, चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, आपका नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ेगा, एंड ओवरऑल आपका विजडम बढ़ेगा. सो I won't say it's a positive card, but it's not also a negative card. It's a very self-work kind of card meant for moving on. We will get into this with the other energies that support it. But now let's look at your health. Health-wise, a very good card and a very warm kind of card. If there is some issue related to your health, the cards are kind of suggesting that they will go away the more you stay at home, the more you are connected to your family. Like आप जितने आपके घर में रहेंगे, आपके loved ones आपके family के साथ रहेंगे, आपके health issues उतने कम होंगे. यूजुअली क्या होता है कि लोग बाहर रहते हैं, बाहर ही खाना खाते हैं, बाहर का जो खाना होता है, एंड फेसिंग द एलिमेंट्स एंड ऑल. सो उसके वजह से आपका हेल्थ बिगड़ता है. सो द कार्ड्स आर काइंड ऑफ सजेस्टिंग यू टू अवॉइड दोज थिंग्स. बाहर खाना अवॉइड कीजिए. ट्राई टू हैव हेल्दी फूड, होम कुक्ड फूड, एंड द मोर यू स्टे क्लोज टू योर फैमिली, द मोर your family is there to support you, the more your health issues will be resolved. अकेले फेस करने मत जाइए. Now moving on to the other energies, there is reward, there is recognition and appreciation coming your way this month. लोग आपको नोटिस करना शुरू करेंगे, लोग आपको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, आपको सेलिब्रेट करेंगे ये मंथ बिकॉज ऑफ योर अचीवमेंट्स. आप कोई चीज़ है जिसके लिए आपको व्यूअर्स मिलने वाले हैं, एंड people are going to notice all the efforts and all the hard work that you have put in, and they are going to celebrate it. लोग आपको कहते हैं ना, compliments देंगे, आपको congratulate करेंगे, and you will be celebrated this month for your efforts. Now see Libra, when it comes to your career and when it comes to your love and relationship, I like I said, you are in deep thinking, you are trying to understand a lot of things, but energies जैसे दिखा रहे हैं, लग रहा है कि आपका रिसेंटली कोई ब्रेकअप हुआ होगा, या कोई चीज़ था जिससे आपका दिल दुखा होगा, आपके हिसाब से वो चला, आपके हिसाब से वो हुआ नहीं होगा, एंड उसके वजह से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटल स्ट्रेस मिला है. आप मेंटली बहुत डिप्रेस थे, मेंटली वो चीज़ आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट किया है, एंड दिस हैज़ लेड यू टू गो इनटू दैट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव वाला फेज वेर यू आर थिंकिंग. आप चीज़ों को और भी समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि क्यों हुआ या क्यों नहीं हुआ, वो चीज़ आप समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड इवेंचुअली दिस मंथ आई सी यू स्लोली मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम दैट. धीरे धीरे आप वो जो पुरानी चीज़ें हैं, पुराने बैगेजेस है, उसको आप पीछे छोड़ के पॉजिटिव चीज़ों की तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे ये मंथ. So there is definitely moving on from you this month, which is a good sign. You are growing, you are developing, and you are moving on. But because moving on is always a good thing. Being stuck onto something and expecting a different outcome from it usually doesn't go that way. And in most cases, it's always a better option to move on from things so that you can grow and develop. Now there is an element of confusion as well for you this month with the Two of Swords. So कोई चीज़ है जिसको लेके आप डिसीजन ले नहीं पा रहे हैं. आपके हेल्थ रिलेटेड हो सकता है, क्योंकि there is something that related to your health you are unsure about. You don't know what decision you need to take कि ये करूँ या वो करूँ. And I see you being very confused related to that. अगर वो चीज़ आपके लाइफ में है नहीं अभी, वो चीज़ आने वाला है. But you will be definitely confused about your health, or in other cases there is an element of confusion at least in one sector of your life where you are not able to decide on things, where you are not able to make up your mind on things because you are very much disconnected from your subconscious, and that is leading you to have this confusion. Now the energy that you should focus upon is the King of Pentacles. So the thing that you should focus upon is stability, because the theme of the month is the Temperance. So there is a balance here. You are taking the middle path. You are not taking any extremes. And जब भी आप वो middle path लेंगे लाइफ में, slowly but surely वो stability, वो balance आपके तरफ आएगा, आपके लाइफ में आएगा. And the more you focus on this Temperance wala energy, that balance energy, the more you are going to get into this King of Pentacles energy, the energy of stability and abundance. So yeah, now let's look at what messages or advice is coming from you from the Oracle cards this month, Libra. you do get signs. Instincts are the message from the inner divine. So you will get signs from the universe this month. आप यूनिवर्स से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो होते हैं ना कि मैसेजेस या साइंस या किसी तरह से आपको समझा देंगे कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. वो चीज़ को समझने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है ये मंथ आपके लिए, बिकॉज दिस साइंस विल हेल्प यू टू नेविगेट दिस मंथ easily. Because as they say, you need to follow your instincts, because your instincts are the message from the divine. So do tap into that energy and be aware of what signs or instincts or messages come your way this month. And overall, a good reading for you, Libra. And I hope you find that path and peace that you are looking for, the stability that you are looking for. So yeah, that would be all for the reading for you, and I hope you like the reading. If the reading resonated with you, do leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.